Hello guys, this is Kieran from Meepo Board. We haven't used the Hurricane here. Turn it on. It's a smart turn on. When you move the wheel, the board will turn on it automatically. Today, I'm going to show you something new about the Meepo Hurricane. Meepo Hurricane is the first all-terrain electric skateboard from Meepo and is one of the most successful all-terrain electric skateboard which have been sold 3,000 units since it's published in last October. People love it. It's strong, powerful, stylish, and long range. So thank you for all the guys who have bought the Meepo Hurricane. Thank you for choosing us. And we have been listening to your feedbacks. The number one complaint we have been receiving is that the tube in this small wheel get break pretty easy. We have replaced more than 300 tubes for free for all these customers, but still is a headache for the customer. So we need to solve it. We did try to upgrade the tube or change the tire, something, but still it accomplish nothing. The only solve that the level would be compromise to use a bigger wheel. Using a bigger wheel may make your riding higher above the ground, but you eliminate the risk of tube break. So it's safer if you ride very aggressive. If you ride very aggressive, please do pick this upgrade, because the second part of the upgrade, we have a package offer you all these two kinds of upgrade in one package. You upgrade the wheel, so no tube break. You upgrade also the double kingpin trucks. The old double kingpin trucks is by aluminum forged die casting parts. There are like very a few trucks get break in very strong hitting the curb or something get roll over, it break for a few pieces. But it is not a very high risk. But still, if you ride so aggressive, we would recommend you choose the updated version. It is a double kingpin with CNC plate and CNC connector. So there is a hanger here. The hanger is with a big rod inside. It will never break. You can bend it a little, but nothing break it. So the connector in the middle also, when it's CNC, it's impossible to break. And even you get a car roll over on it, it will stand. And also the base plate. So they are very strong right now. Perfect. So these two upgrade the wheel and the CNC truck, you can get them in a package we are offering now to all the Meepo Board owners, Meepo Board Hurricane owners. Besides that, in the coming future, we have also found other upgrades we are doing to the Hurricane. It would be a new pattern on the motors. So it looks more beautiful and better heat sink. And also, we make the cover lid to be smaller. So make the big wheel and small wheel all compatible, no wheel bite. And the other minor change is that we found that we can build the bash guard and the motor mount to be one piece. So it's one piece. We build the motor mount and we install the rod as a bash guard. So it's simple, better design, and it's much reliable. So these are the minor changes. I want to mention to you guys, so far the Meepo board we have mass produced 3,000 units of this. So it's very reliable. For a board that's so powerful and dealing with so much heat and high current, this Meepo Hurricane is so far trusted by 3,000 riders. It's so reliable and powerful. I understand maybe people they just need something more powerful, more fancy, or higher wattage something, but Meepo will not go that direction. We believe that offering a stable, very strong product and make it hassle-free and make it last for 3 years or more, that's more important. That's what I believe. So we will keep improving the Meepo Hurricane and make it so reliable, make the customer forget about the maintenance and forget about all the hassle. They just go enjoy shred. So thank you guys and I hope you like it. If you have more questions or suggestions, we can email us. I will read. Thank you.